Isn't it the ultimate dream to get paid to do nothing? Today, you're about to learn two sources for legitimate ways to make some quick side cash from doing things that don't take a lot of effort. You can turn your swipes and taps into $5. What's great is that you can use it on multiple devices, so you can earn as much as $50 per day or even more, depending on the number of devices you have. The internet has made it possible for lots of interesting new industries to pop up. Some still require hard work, but others are so simple that you wouldn't believe anyone can get paid to participate. But they can and do. Like what I've said, I will be teaching you two side gigs that will help you score some quick cash, so make sure to stay until the end because I will be giving you some cool bonus tips to maximize your earnings on these platforms. And I'm not kidding when I say that you don't have to do anything to get paid. Okay, well, you do have to sign up and create an account, but this process is pretty much set and forget. Before we dive deep into these apps that I'm about to show you, I would like to roll out the red carpet and welcome you all to the Online Money Girl channel. I am your online money girl and I teach people all over the world the newest ways to make money online regardless of their background and expertise. If you're already excited about what I'm going to talk about today, why not give this video a thumbs up and say hi in the comments down below? And to stay in the loop for the latest trends on making money online, you would want to press hard on that subscribe button and the notification bell icon to stay on top of the game. Now let's get down to business. If you're a total newbie on these sort of things, or if you don't already have one, it is highly recommended to have a PayPal account. You can create a free account on your desktop or smartphone, whichever is more convenient for you. This is really important because PayPal is really accessible and easy to use. However, if it's not available in your country, or if you prefer not to, an online bank account is another recommendation. You can sign up for a free online account without having to visit a physical branch. Once you have your preferred way of getting paid, you're good to go. The first app that I'm talking about is Moocash. It can be downloaded in both the Apple Store and Google Play Store, which means it's friendly to all devices. It's a GPT or Get Paid To app, which will give you a few bucks for tapping and swiping your smartphone. I'm pretty sure you're already doing that on a daily basis, so why not get paid for it? Once you've downloaded the app, there will be so many effortless ways to earn money. You get coins for super simple actions like unlocking your phone or swiping to take an offer. If you have lots of time to spare, you can try apps, visit pages, or complete tasks and surveys. All of these are so simple and each action has an equivalent reward or coins. You can then redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. If you run into trouble and you have some questions, a 24/7 chat support is committed to help you sort it out. Let me share the top 2 tips on how to maximize your money on Moocash. By the way, these are not requirements when you sign up. These are just suggestions so you can maximize your earnings. Number 1 is to share and refer your friends. Share your unique invite code with friends and families. This works in a way where the more people join Moocash with your invite code, the more money you can make. Every successful referral, you earn a gem and enjoy 10% lifetime commission from their redeemed coins. That means when your friend redeems $20, you get 2% as passive income. Cool. The next tip is playing games on MooJoy. All you need is to install MooJoy app in your phone, use the gems to play games, and earn coins. This way, you can boost up the coins in your account and redeem your money in a short time. Here are the top reasons why this app is worth trying out. Moocash has a low minimum payout of only $2, and that attracts many users as you don't have to accumulate lots and lots of dollars before you're allowed to cash out. You can also collect your payment in several convenient ways. These include Bitcoins and Payoneer, so you can have easy access to your money even in international locations. Their referral system is easy to use and rewards both individuals with 30 coins. If you refer a few people every now and then, you'll eventually earn $1 from referrals. With so many options for earning, you can quickly find one that suits you, such as reviews or watching videos. Since these tasks usually takes less than 3 minutes, you can complete several of them during your morning commute. If you're already getting value from this video, why don't you give it a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments what you find most helpful. Now we are on to our second half of the video, and this is where it gets more exciting because the next app that I'm going to reveal will actually pay you when you are not actively using your phone. What? Yes, you heard it right. This is the ultimate get paid to do nothing app, and it's called Cash Magnet. This is even more perfect if you have an old phone lying around. Just a teeny bit of internet history. A few years ago, there were a bunch of websites that paid you for letting your computer automatically browse the web and for visiting specific websites. These traffic-generating websites are still around today, and the Cash Magnet app is basically an app for your phone that does exactly this. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone pay you just to browse the web when you're not even there? Well, friends, the sad and secret truth is that a large percentage of internet traffic is made of bots, click farms, or just low-quality traffic in general. Cash Magnet turns your phone into a node in a traffic network, and you get paid a small percentage of your phone's traffic value in exchange for running it. The question is, how does making money with Cash Magnet work if you're completely new to this world? Let me walk you through the steps. First, you have to install the Cash Magnet APK. APK stands for Android Package Kit. By downloading the Cash Magnet APK from their website, you can install the Cash Magnet app on your phone without going through Google Play. Number 2 is you have to allow permission. When you open Cash Magnet, the app will request permission to draw over other apps. This simply allows an app to appear over other apps. This is a common permission setting for things like screen recorders. Cash Magnet needs this permission to track your phone's usage so it can pay you. Third is you need to install games to level up. Cash Magnet is a fun source of passive income. However, you need to level up your Cash Magnet account before you start making money. Cash Magnet doesn't just make money by selling mobile traffic. In fact, the app requires you to download sponsored games to earn more passive runtime for your phone. In a nutshell, the more sponsored games you download, the longer your phone is allowed to run in passive mode. If you just install one game, you get about 75 minutes of passive runtime. It takes 3 installs to reach level 2 and progressively more games until you reach level 7. The more games you install, the more you level up, and leveling up also makes you earn more points per hour. By the time you install all your games and get to a higher level, your phone can pretty much run 24/7. Number 4 is Run and Earn. Once you install a few games, you can activate Cash Magnet to start earning points, which can be redeemed for cash and other rewards. The app might take a while, but if everything works, your phone will begin visiting various websites and watching advertisements until your passive runtime expires. When 24 hours pass, you can start the process again. Points you accumulate appear in your Cash Magnet account, and again, the higher your level, the more you earn per hour. Number 5 is redeeming your rewards. Unlike many reward apps that pay cash, Cash Magnet only has a $1 minimum to cash out. Currently, you can redeem your points for Amazon gift cards, PayPal Cash, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. You redeem rewards through Cash Magnet's website, not the app. Cash Magnet allows 4 phones per IP address, but if you reach level 5 to 7 on Cash Magnet, your phone or phones can run for a long time. Just a final thought, this is not a get-rich app. However, if you're looking to dabble in the niche money-making industry, the app is worth considering because a lot of people are already making great passive income each month with this method. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comments or give us a big thumbs up, and I appreciate you watching till the end. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button as well as the notification bell icon to stay updated with the latest online money making trends. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I will see you in the next money making video.